Prime Minister Narendra Modi will leave for a historic visit to Nepal shortly. This is the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to the Himalayan kingdom in 17 years. Besides signing agreements in various sectors, the trip also holds personal significance for the Prime Minister. Here's more.
Narendra Modi continues his focus on improving ties with neighbouring countries. After Bhutan, Modi will now visit Nepal. Modi underlined the significance of the visit in his tweet. His tweets on the visit revealed his excitement. He also tweeted of his expectations about having fruitful discussions with leaders and lawmakers of Nepal.
देखिए, देश के प्रधानमंत्री ने ये संवाद अपने शपथ ग्रहण समारोह से ही ये संवाद अपने पड़ोसी देशों को दे दिया था कि हम आपके साथ अच्छे संबंध बनाना चाहते हैं। मुझे लगता है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी की नीति सोच स्पष्ट है कि अपने पड़ोसियों के साथ किस प्रकार का संबंध बना के रखना है।
Nepal on its part has also made elaborate preparations for Modi's historic visit. The Nepal PM will break protocol to receive Modi at the airport. Besides, a two-day holiday has also been declared. The excitement is also apparent on the streets of Kathmandu.
Actually, by seeing his context from beginning to till now, he's being one of the greatest personalities in the Indian history. And I think from him we have to take courage. No, he was not just an ordinary person, and now he became the Prime Minister. It's one of the wonderful things in the world.
I'm a good fan. I'm a big fan of Mr. Narendra Singh Modi. I extend high gratitude towards him, and he's a kind of person who just understands the feeling of the poor people, and he just developed Gujarat some moments before, and we are also expecting something like that from him, and we are feeling happy that he is just cooperating with us.
The two countries are expected to sign agreements in various sectors including power. India is also expected to announce an economic package for Nepal. Development of border infrastructure will also be on the agenda. Emphasis will also be laid on increasing regional partnership. Modi will meet the Prime Minister of Nepal, Sushil Koirala. He will reach Parliament later in the day and have a meeting with the leader of opposition and the Speaker. He will also address Nepal's Parliament. He will meet Nepal's business community and attend a banquet hosted by Sushil Koirala. The visit is also special for Modi on a personal front. Modi will be handing over his godson, Jeet Bahadur, to his parents tomorrow.
आज तक जितने भी मैंने जो भी अचीवमेंट किया है, उनमें से सबसे बड़ी ये अचीवमेंट है कि आज मेरे बड़े भाई और मेरा रियल जो फैमिली है, परिवार वाले हैं, उनसे मिलने जा रहे हैं। और मेरे बड़े भाई पहली बार इतना 2 साल के बाद मेरे परिवार वालों के साथ मिलने वाला है। तो जितना खुशी मुझे है उतना ही खुशी मेरे परिवार वालों को है।
धेरै खुसी लागेको छ। आज उहाँ मेरो सानो बालामा हराइरहेको थियो, मेरो बच्चा जित बहादुर बाला, र उहाँ नरेन्द्र मोदी को आसपासमा पुग्नु भएछ। अहिले चाहिँ उहाँ प्रधानमन्त्री बन्नुभएको छ। प्रधानमन्त्रीको धर्मपुत्र उहाँले गर्नुभएको छ भनेर कति खुसी, हामी त खुसी छौँ। हाम्रो छिमेकी दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनी पनि खुसी, हाम्रो छिमेकी ओल्डोको पल्लो सबै गाउँ छिमेकी सबैलाई खुसी छ।
Modi's visit to Nepal is the first in 17 years by an Indian Prime Minister, and this visit will certainly mark the beginning of a new era in ties between the two neighbouring countries. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.